Yo, what's going on, Docs Gang? We laid back for another video, and today we're gonna be doing a video on how to put guitar samples on your beats. I know I did one like this before, but I kind of like doing it, and I like using samples a lot, so I just decided why not do it again. So yeah, we're gonna go through YouTube, just look for samples this time, because I hear that YouTube has better guitar samples. So we're gonna go through there, search for some samples, then I'm gonna make a beat out of this sample, and hopefully it'll turn out well. Really hope so. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget, leave comments on videos I should do in the future, because I'm always replying to comments. You guys know this, replying to all of your comments. I'm looking at all your comments. So yeah, leave any suggestions at the bottom of the comment section. Don't forget to share this with your friends. Tell them about Docs Gang. Tell them about how lit we are. Tell them about the community. Tell them to join the community. And don't forget, of course, subscribe. It's free. Subscribe. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications, because I'm always live streaming and uploading every day of the week. So you don't want to miss out on that. And yeah, let's get into this video. I'm gonna look for some samples on my computer. Yeah, I'll see you on my computer. Alright you guys, so we're back on my computer, and this time we're just gonna go look for samples real quick. I'm just going on YouTube and search for guitar samples. So yeah, this should be fun. I'm just gonna go ahead and look at, oh whoops, guitar samples. Alright. Okay, well, my video comes up. It's not what we're looking for. There's a whole playlist. Alright, this, I've already heard this in someone's beat. Nah, let me not. I'm not using that. Alright, this is a fire sample. I'm using this. I'm gonna. Alright, let me copy this. I'm downloading this right now.
One eternity later.
I'm just gonna drag this immediately into FL Studio. So let's see what we could do with this. So let's normalize this. Channel settings normalized. It's already normalized. It's cool. Go back into Edison, which is, I don't even know where. I'm gonna turn the tempo up to like 139. Stretch the channels. Alright, now let's detect the pitch region so I can get notes and counter melodies going. Actually, you know what? No, first. There we go. Alright, we can just take this out, destroy everything. It's gonna get rid of everything and just. And I'm just gonna zoom in on this. And fade that out. Okay. Alright, I got something. Alright, hopefully this is going to work a lot better than the top one. Okay, this should work. Okay, now what was I going to do? Not that. Why is it off beat? I'm gonna cut this up. See, sampling is not so easy, guys, so. Awesome, now what we're gonna do with this, we gotta EQ it and mix it a little bit, so I'm gonna just, okay, where is the damn? Alright, hopefully this isn't going to work a lot better than the top one. Okay, this should work. Okay, now what was I going to do? Not that. Why is it off beat? I'm gonna cut this up. I'm cutting this up right here. See, sampling is not so easy, guys, so bear with me. Awesome, now what we're gonna do with this, we gotta EQ it and mix it a little bit, so I'm gonna just, okay, where is the damn, oh, it's off, whoops. Alright, so it's sounding a little grainy, so, wrong channel. Maybe add some reverb to it, of course, maybe, I mean, definitely add some reverb. Like, I don't know what I'm thinking. Alright, okay, EQ'd. Now we gotta add some reverb Turn down the dry. It's a bit too much. I don't see a difference in that. All right. I'm gonna have to change that 808 pattern because I can barely hear it. Pattern kind of sounds cool, but like this already did. Alright. Sick. We got a melody. We got a nice flute melody. So I'm gonna EQ this now. And, you know, add my secret sauce to it. Make it sound. Alright, and we also gotta add let's slow this down. think that's it. I don't even think it needs those counter melodies. I'm gonna use those counter melodies for like a verse part of the song, so you know, yeah, we added variation to it. But I think that's it. But yeah, that's it. I think the beat turned out pretty well. Yeah, I'm very pleased with it. If you like the video, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to leave comments on videos I should do in the future. You know, I'm always answering your comments and questions. Also, don't forget about my free sound kit bundle. You know, it's free. Check it out. Down links in the description. Don't forget to share this with your friends. Can't stress that enough. Share this with your friends. Tell everybody about Doc's Gang. Everybody you know what I'm saying. Only going to the top. And also, always, last but not least, always don't forget to subscribe. You know how it is. We are growing. That's what we're doing. We're growing out here, man. But yeah, and also don't forget to turn on post notifications while you are at it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching the video. And I'm gonna see y'all next time.